You almost scrolled past this, but you didn't, and that wasn't an accident. Allah knew before you even picked up your phone today that you would stop right here. The core message: nothing reaches you by chance. Allah says in Surah At-Tawbah, say, never will we be struck except by what Allah has decreed for us. This video, this moment, this exact reminder, and it was written into your day before your day even began. So ask yourself, why this video? Why now? He's speaking to the heart. Maybe you've been distant from your salah. Maybe you've been carrying guilt you haven't said out loud. Maybe your heart has felt heavy, and you didn't know why. Allah knows. He knows what you've been avoiding. He knows what you've been afraid to face. And He placed this exact reminder in front of you, not by coincidence but by mercy. The Quranic reminder. He says in Surah Al-A'raf, and remember your Lord within yourself in humility and in fear without being apparent in speech, and do not be among the heedless. Allah doesn't want you among the heedless, the ones who scroll past every sign, every ayah, every nudge toward Him. He wants you here, present, listening, Dhikr, the turn. And so don't treat this like just another video. This is a message, a tap on the shoulder from your Creator saying, I see you, I haven't forgotten you. Come back to me. You didn't find this by luck. You were meant to see it. So right now, before you close this app, say a dua, even one line, Ya Allah, forgive me for the distance. Bring me back to you. That's it. That's all He's asking for in this moment. He knew you wouldn't skip this. Now show Him you understand why. This was written for you. Follow for daily reminders. Allah knew you would not skip this.